Greetings to all joining us today for this splendid tutorial led by your driving instructor, Perez. In today's video, we are going to look into a comprehensive breakdown of the common questions that frequently arise during the driving test, offering valuable insights and tips to help viewers gain a deeper understanding of what to expect on the examination day. For you to do this properly, you must have learnt about the rules of the Model Town Board and the road lane options, that is, the lanes taken by each vehicle when entering and exiting the roundabout. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel for more valuable content, and share this video with your friends or family members who could benefit from the video. So before we go on, let's refresh ourselves on a few things on the Model Town Board. On the Model Town Board, we have a one-way traffic road where vehicles move in one direction. We also have a two-way traffic road where vehicles move in opposite directions. There's a roundabout, the traffic island, and the parking zones, that is the flash parking zone, which is also referred to as the parallel parking zone, and then the angle parking zone. We have the three rules of the Model Town Board, which have to be followed when answering the questions on the Model Town Board. The rules go as follows. Rule number 1, use the shortest and most appropriate route without using the parking. Rule number 2, use the longest and most appropriate route without using the parking. Rule number 3, only use the parking when there is no other route. The rules of the roundabout. In a roundabout, there is no stopping. 2, there is no changing lanes. 3, there is no parking. 4, there is no overtaking. And 5, there is no waiting. In this first example, you're required to move the car from point 1 to point 2, that is the white car to be behind the red car. Let's consider all the possible exit points by the white car to point 2. So we have these 4 points and the U-turn. And given that the car is in the middle lane of the minor road, that is lane 2, it has only one option, and that is straight ahead, and nearest point among all these points is the U-turn. Although the longer route would be to use the 4th lane of the major road around the roundabout. Now here, we want the white car behind the yellow car. If we used the roundabout, the entry point to the roundabout would be lane 3 of the minor road, and the possible exit points are lane 3 and lane 4 of the major road. Although both lane 3 and lane 4 are correct to use, but the shortest to point 2 is lane 3. It is also correct to use the U-turn through the two-way traffic road, but it is still longer than the other two. Remember, when you enter the minor road, enter through the first lane and then change lanes to the 3rd lane. Now here, the examiner might trick you. He might tell you to move the white car behind the yellow car. Sure, you can't stop in the roundabout. Remember, that's one of the rules of the roundabout. Just come and stop here. When you enter the minor road, enter through the first lane and then change lanes to the third lane. So from point 1 to point 2 or behind the white car, there are only 2 points that can reach you here. These are lane 3 of the minor road and lane 4 of the major road. Lane 3 of the minor road would be two-way far, so definitely here we will use lane 4 of the major road. In this one, you're required to park in the flash parking from point 1. Here there are 2 options. You either go through one-way traffic road back to the two-way traffic road and to the parking, or go around the roundabout back to the two-way traffic road and to the parking, of which the latter is far too long. So let's look at an example which involves the angle parking. You are required to park the car from point 1. There are only 2 possible options here. Both of them will use the one-way traffic road, but you can use either side to enter the parking, of which the side left is nearer. Remember, the rules of the parking, one of the rules is park from the farthest end. And just before we come to the end of this tutorial, I would like to leave you with one thought-provoking video for discussion. So the car moves from point 1 to the parking. Is the route taken the shortest? Feel free to engage by commenting your insightful response. Thank you for listening, and if you found this video helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel for more valuable content, and share this video with your friends or family members who could benefit from the video. Thank you.